Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to discuss about the flora biology of sorghum. Its botanical name is Sorghum bicolor. It belongs to grass family, Poaceae. Its diploid chromosome numbers are 20. This is the panicle and its maturity starts from the center and goes in both direction upward and downward simultaneously. So for the development of inbred line for self-pollination, we just need to cover the whole panicle and we did not remove it until all the florets of the panicle has been fertilized and seed has been settled. Cover it with a paper bag and we tag it with a variety name. To make a cross to produce inbred line, for making a cross, so cross pollination, as we discussed that maturity starts from the center of the panicle. So upper portion and lower portion of the panicle are have immature florets. So these are have been removed for emasculation purpose. So we have removed the upper portion and lower florets also with a scissor. Uh, we have been attained only 50 florets nearly. These are only nearly 50 florets and each stigma and stamens are covered with a limia and pellia. We just remove 1/3 part of the each florets and we have to remove the anthers with the pointed forceps. There are total 3 anthers in each florets. We have to remove this with a pointed forceps like this. This is anther. There are 3 anthers in each florets. We have to do this job very carefully so that stigma are not damaged. We have done all this process with all 50 florets. Then we have to cover it with a paper bag and tag it with a variety name, female variety name, and the date of emasculation. Then we have to select the male inflorescence from which we have to collect the pollens for making a cross. For example, if we want to collect a pollen from this source, we should have to cover the panicle with a paper bag like this and we gently tap this 3 times so that all the pollen grains have collected in a paper bag. Then we remove it with carefully. Then we remove the paper bag from a female variety and then immediately cover it with a paper bag having a pollen grain from a male inflorescence or selected male. Then we tag it and tap 3 times so that all the pollen grains are settled on the stigma and they have settled. The receptor times of stigma is nearly 8 hours. Then we did not remove this paper bag until all the florets have been fertilized. Then we have to tag it with a female variety and a male variety and the signature of the breeder. Thank you.